Let's shake a mix.
It's a very 3 days in Medjugorje. Catch us a sweetheart. Eba. Nanyamia ya Dumobabi. Na Fana Mechia also and that is a Manadi. Tiene, you will be in a man actually say, many booking appointments. Say, because your schedules need doors. Me and I'm so when the young year, Baum is young Tumfa has seen that is it. Fana Mechia. To where the Enchema, sweetheart. This is my madam.
Oh,
yeah.
That's great, yeah? Hi. I know I'm Mr. Stenner. What about you?
I'm Vanessa.
Vanessa. Oh, that's a great name, yeah? Yeah, she said a lot about you. I am glad just to meet you as well, you feel it. And anyway, I love everything about you. You're so natural, African woman, with tattoos and everything, yeah? Yeah, thanks for taking good care of her, innit? Yeah.
Honey,
Yeah?
she's a very good mother.
Oh, okay.
Can you imagine that if I don't have money, she gives me money all the time.
Wow, that was great.
She has been the one supporting me.
Oh!
Madam, thank you so much. God bless you.
Do remember me. I promise you, when I'm going back, I'm gonna give you 5,000 pounds. Because I heard a whole lot in Ghana about the economy, yeah?
Yes,
So,
the economy is bad.
So I promise you, I'm gonna give 5,000 pounds after that, yeah? That's great. Yeah?
Honey, you can make it 2,000 pounds because here in Ghana, things are low.
Oh, okay. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
she can manage.
Your wish is always my command.
Yes. Thank you. It's madam. We party in someone. You call your wedding, you put on it's young chippy.
Yeah, and madam, please, I would love you to be at my wedding. Yeah?
She will come.
Yeah.
She will be there.
She's gonna be there.
Oh yes, of course. She will be there.
She's so quiet. Is that the way she is?
Oh,
yeah?
that's how she is.
Oh really?
She doesn't talk much.
Oh,
she doesn't talk much.
It seems everybody around you is being mute and quiet. Yeah, I don't understand why. Why?
The economy, everywhere. That's why. How come my mother
Okay.
So honey, madam, only baby, the wedding dress. Actually, on Sunday, no can once, but me could free London by. So I'm not gonna sew anything here. It's yeah. Honey, no. If you mean Papa machine, you know, they buy.
Do you have some city so that you can?
Oh no, honey. Let's go and change the money first. You know, for me and my madam, I can send her mobile money.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I will send it to her.
Okay, she's gonna send it like 100. How much is 100 pounds? Yeah, 100 pounds.
100 pounds is about how much, madam? Oh, honey, don't worry.
Oh,
I'll send it to her. Don't worry.
Okay.
For that one, don't worry.
Okay.
Madam,
That's nice.
so honey, you know what? Please, I want you to excuse me. So, honey, I want to have it. I mean, to
about a wedding talk.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Glad to meet you.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Chill.
She's
yeah?
a very good.
Okay,
Okay, I'll join you later. Don't worry, honey.
Okay, dear.
Madam. The patrol wedding. The patrol a white. Over shampoo white. Wasuma de cry white. Dress code nanka say white. The patrol. Anna. Madam, and show me sao the same your bottle. And China make home. Tino, we say was your wally we ya not is the make home. Tino, show me ye. They were friends who need me a rimbi. No problem. Madam.
Mamma SERWAA.
Madam.
What's funny too?
Hey!
SERWAA. Intimo. We empty. And I'll see Baby Jaisi.
Madam. See, CONFION is okay.
Into a buy ye. When the number one thing the say, see one baby hammer.
Madam. See, CONFION is okay. And then the Paracochiano were doing more like they were vibing. Hey, but how they were vibing. I mean, see, CONFION was so happy. And I want to see CONFION because it's a scout demand, no, greatly. Hey, Madam, make me with Sika rough.
And I CONFION so Jay.
Now one day.
Said we are see ko you be am uska wonje. Watch it. It is see confio brother madam. Forget about see confio.
Do nature as a confio.
Oh, you mean you be of course. Hey. Debbie madam tika me fa no coach yesterday. Oh, you mean you be ma see confio on your class. I mean look at me. Check the body. Check the body. I mean check the skin tone. Madam, come on. See confio is not my level, you know. I mean, you see, I kind of high tech. Mean to me, my name sounds so my mom is suspicious in everything, and I don't want to keep him in suspicious. So it's an ODO extreme, Madam Mishi, I like.
Hey, I create so this shit. Hey, some of them, my boy, I coach you, my boy.
Na make na se say no me who dey make campo na me say SERWAA what share na me gidi say what share na ni mu ide na me say me mo sa na make am me ni mu bi me te ha wi ya na oni eyi bra iba ha na me hwe
You pay your child to be a sea no casa, madam, eh? Me more than more. You pay your child to be a sea no casa, me more than. Na me asem bia ka kire mo. Me shi oba tete oba no. Fani be su adwuma. Na mo na mo ntrasa mo nyini pa ba kwa mo fani ma boga. Mo ya de. Hey, madam. Mo ya de o. Mo ya de. Na madanya mo adwen se de mo ye no mo ya ma na boa mo. Atena mo ye no e mananya ma adwen se mo ye de khoturu be na de mo ye no se wa telebo apuwa wo se wa mi se strangers kana ni mi se mi se strangers kana ni mi se aduma be na me ye aduma ben na me ye mo
bra na se bra yo ba he ya ma make up mama na on the dressing ko ye on na nim na fe na me gidi pass ya de ase wa so be
ai me dem ho time me jitum me ho time na tama na me ba na me mo so ho sa me ho time tama na me ba na me yis kama o e yis kama tem no ho sa me ho time madam he we are one asa support me sibo sum wo ho atu yo time power madam we your time I remember me come on to kasa me nim kasa o madam me nim kasa ma ne tra so me nim kasa e ma ne tra so na me say ye na se ye ate ye perform obi e me performance mu na sini na wie ye no ni be hu do e master sini wie no madam wa eta atu hausa o he piese wa piese ke tem na so na de na chese wa kora be papa me ni asem ya ka kire mu madam na wo mare me kama so not so so sit so ma be you machine di kabo mo obodo o wala cho sa no wala cho sa na sini be ti so wati madam me pa cho do obi aye bi obi mo no ho mo de no obi anya de ope obi anya de ope na sini na wie ni be hu do e master ana madam e sebe baby en kasa me hoda wo do hu me atwam me abonti so ni sai boga ne dress no ho ofe me ho tan me pe na mo me nko yo madam
hey na me ti madwuma me e be hunahuna me awradie SERWAA na nso e ben SERWAA ho ahome ti se awrade nyame na wase mo ko kana sen Angela mfinu wate SERWAA boy na adwin ne nkoyi ate afaso wate mfinu
Bema Abumo ko de
I'm doing good, yeah? What about you, yeah?
Yako pado me ho
You're cool,
na ene no me frɛ wo ba ya wo de ye fa bibia nto nchen na asem na me be ka chi uti ne tie me ye pa madam bi esusu asem mi ho kire me na musumu bi susu
Look, can you speak a bit English, yeah? Because okay, yeah, man. You speak English.
I blend it.
Yeah. Blend it, merge it, yeah.
madam bi ni be susu asem ho and I wanted to discuss it with you.
Oh, okay, bro. Yeah, feel free, yeah.
Obeka kire me say wo ana wa bo ba ho ka ena wa bo ba ho ka ayi bibia mo ba no na se obi fihi be je oba na e de na wa
Meaning, like, when you got a girl that you're dating, somebody gets good,
yeah
what are you going to do?
to that person
I swear in London, somebody might shank you, yeah? Or might shoot you, yeah? You feel it?
ene me srew so wo betim no wetim asopema we a nice boy
In it, man. You're a flat boy too, yeah?
we are branch kama me pese wo bedi oba echi na echi wo bedi dem ti me srew wo betim ya
How can I eat house? Adam.
I don't want you to follow a woman and hurt yourself. That is what I'm trying to say. It is a woman see me. Obana no.
Yeah, you mean you talking about your sister, yeah? I should stay away from your sister.
Exactly.
No, bro. You know what it is, bro. You know how much I've spent on your sister. I should not tell you, yeah? Bro, listen. I've come to love her, and I swear to God, nobody messes up with her. Anybody who messes up with your sister, he messes up with me. You feel it? So, bro, I got your point, innit? I know some Ghana boys are dangerous, innit? You feel it? So just listen to me and watch me, bro. I'm a tough guy, bro. So don't worry about that. You feel it? Don't worry, I got you in support. Nobody else can come close to your sister, you feel it? So hey, you got to understand what men can do, innit? You feel it, bro?
Bema, ene na ene didi obachi mesrew twon ho fefro ba no
No, man, bro, no, stop. I don't get what you are saying. You love me as in-law, yeah, brother-in-law, yeah, and you want me to stay away. When I came, I bought some phones, I bought some dresses, I gave you money, bro. So what are you trying to tell me, yeah? Listen, let bygones be bygones. I love your sister, and I got you in support. You feel it? I got you, bro. Yo, no, listen. Is that how you are? Because you don't smile, you don't talk, you always giving attitude, yeah? No, I said, forget about that thing, bro. I'm a tough guy, and I don't fear anybody, yeah? Nobody comes to my woman, bro. I swear I'm a head person, yeah? I'm sorry, bro. This is what we do in London, yeah? Smart, yeah? Yo, I said, let me ask you, you got a girlfriend, or I've never seen you with a girl, or, yeah?
I'm okay.
No, bro. You're a big boy, and big boy do what big boy do.
I'm okay.
You're not okay. You're working. I'm gonna get you a girlfriend. You love London, babes.
London, am I London? I
swear, when I saw your sister, she's so pretty, and I love her ass. I swear to God, I can't wait just to take her to Grand Elizabeth Palace, man. And I swear, I love banging her ass, man. She called me, she screamed, "Oh!" Anything, it was scream, man. So, yo, I wanna have fun, yeah. So, do you know any place they call Venice City, yeah? Or Basement, yeah? If you know that, let's pop, yeah? Yo, man, you're being too aggressive, you're being too quiet. I don't like it. Be you, man. We are boys, man. So, can you go and show me, yeah? So, can you drive? Oh, I forgot you, Bonso. Can you drive? Yo, man, them, no, I forgot, man. I got to do what men got to do, you feel it? Let's go, man.
Let's go, man. You know what you can do. Come reverse. I'm going side.
Yeah. Man, let's no, come and sit right.
Okay.
No, bro. Come on, them.